When it comes to my wardrobe, I am all about balance. I believe that you can have your luxury pieces and splurge on things that you truly love, but I also think it's really important to save where you can. So this video is going to be all about 7 ways to save on your wardrobe. So whether you're on a budget or you're just frugal, whatever your circumstances are, saving is always a good idea. So I think these tips are going to be very useful and very practical for the everyday person. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and dive into tip number 1, which is shopping thrift stores. I am definitely no stranger to shopping thrift stores. There is something so thrilling about that hunt, finding a piece that you love, saving a ton of money on it, and then it integrating seamlessly into your current wardrobe. I did partner up with ThredUp for this video. They are the largest online thrift store. Their selection is huge, you guys, and I loved how easy their website was to navigate. So first I filtered through the sizes that I wear in tops and bottoms and whatever pieces that I was looking for, and then I selected my favorite brands. So Free People, Madewell, Gucci, Louis Vuitton. Yes, they carry brands like Gucci and Louis Vuitton as well. I do have 2 luxury pieces to share with you guys, and they are brand spanking new, tags still attached. I ended up ordering 5 different pieces ranging from $12, you guys, and when everything arrived, it was packaged so cute. I really love the ThredUp signature polka dot packaging. It was definitely a really nice detail. If you decide to do a little shopping on ThredUp, make sure to use my coupon code Amanda to save an extra 30%. Everything will be linked down below, so make sure to click that link right below this video. But let me go and show you the pieces that I decided to order. The first piece that I want to share with you guys is this oversized cardigan. This is from the brand Rubbish. I did get it in a size small. It retails for 60 bucks. I paid $12.60 for it, you guys. It is so cute and perfect for the upcoming season. I love the kind of slouchy pockets and the oversized button detail. This next piece is from the brand Rails, and if you're familiar with that brand at all, you know they are very, very expensive. This top retails for $148 and I paid $13.50. I am super excited about this find. Again, perfect for the upcoming fall season. I love a good utility jacket. This one is from Old Navy. I did get it in a size small, and again, this is just gonna be a closet basic. This one retails for 60 bucks and I got it for $11.98. This is definitely a really good find. Next, I wanna go into 2 luxury pieces that I found. Tags still attached, brand spanking new. First up is this cashmere Burberry scarf. This retails for $430 and I got it for $325, saving over 100 bucks, and it is brand new, you guys. I cannot wait to wear this for the upcoming season. I love this color combo. And the last piece that I want to share with you guys is from Gucci, and it is definitely my favorite find from this haul. This floral scarf is so beautiful. I'm hoping that the colors are coming up on camera. There's even a like logo, Gucci logo. Let me see if I can find it for you. This one is also brand spanking new. Tags are still attached. This one retails for $530 and I got it for $427, again, saving just over $100. You can see the Gucci logo right there at the bottom, but isn't that color combo just so pretty? I cannot wait to wear this and style this. Make sure to use my coupon code Amanda to save an extra 30% off. Everything will be linked down below this video, right here, right down below. Thanks again to ThredUp for partnering with me on this video. So let's go ahead and move on to tip number 2. Tip number 2 is to go through your closet, clean it out, purge it, and sell the pieces that you are not wearing anymore. Whether they don't fit, they don't flatter, you don't like them anymore, they're outdated, or maybe you're just kind of over them. You've kind of been through that, worn them for a while, and you just kind of want to move on to something new. Sell those pieces. You can't always get a ton of money, but every little bit counts. I personally purge my closet at least every quarter, sometimes even more. I actually do have a video all about steps on how to clean out your closet. Make sure to check that video out if you need some pointers, but I definitely recommend going through your closet, finding pieces that are still in good condition and selling them. You can actually utilize ThredUp for that as well. I'll put the information on that down below too for you guys. Cleaning out your closet is so important to not only make sure that whenever you go to your closet to pick out an outfit, everything in your closet really works for you right now, but why not make back a little bit of money? If it's just sitting there, why not sell it and get a little bit of money back? Then you can buy something else or pocket that for something later. Tip number 3 is something that I've personally been doing for a very long time, but I think it's something that most people forget to do, and that is read those labels. So if you look at a shirt or pants or dress or anything, if you go to the inside, there is a label on the inside, and it lets you know if that item requires dry cleaning or any sort of special attention. These are the kind of things that add up. That adds a cost to maintaining your wardrobe. So if you don't want to have the added extra expense of a dry cleaning bill, make sure you're not purchasing clothes that require dry cleaning. It is so important to read those labels before you make a purchase. I personally try to stay clear of dry clean items for the most part. I'm not saying I don't have some dry clean items in my wardrobe, but they're very, very minimal. So make sure to read those labels and keep those wardrobe maintenance costs down. Tip number 4 is an oldie but a goodie, and that is don't buy something just because it is on sale. Don't talk yourself into buying something because an item is on sale. There is nothing wrong with doing a little bit of clearance shopping. I love saving money. That's what this whole video is about. But when you talk yourself into buying something that is on sale, it is most likely gonna sit in your closet with the tags on it, or maybe you got to wear it once. Don't do it. Trust me, it's a waste of money. Tip number 5 is one of my personal favorites, and that is don't spend a ton of money on closet basics. I actually did an entire video series on closet basics, so make sure to check that video out if you want to know what I think closet basics are. But when it comes to closet basics like basic tees, camis, things like that, it is not important to spend a ton of money because these are pieces that you are wearing year round, and so often you have to rotate them anyways. So there's no reason to spend a ton of money on them because you are wearing them so often, and they need to be replaced within your wardrobe on a regular basis. I'll make sure to link some of my favorite affordable basics down below for you guys, so make sure to check that out as well. Just don't spend a lot of money on your basics. Tip number 6 is very similar to tip number 4, and that is don't buy something right now unless it fits you right now. To me, this is such a no-no when it comes to not only our wardrobe, but also to our self-esteem. I think it's really important to make sure that we are loving and enjoying our body the way that it looks now. And if you're buying something 1, 2, 3 sizes too small and you never get down to that size, which, hey, that's okay, can make you feel really, really horrible about yourself. Not to mention the fact that that is so wasteful with your money. You're basically buying something now that you can hopefully wear later, and it's gonna sit in your closet for 6 months, a year, however long it is, with the tag still on it. And not only that, but when you do get down to your goal size, your style is probably going to change. You may or may not even like that item anymore. So the entire purchase was a complete waste of money. Don't do it. Make sure you are buying items that fit you now so that you can enjoy them now. Tip number 7 is another one of those tips that I think most people don't think about. They buy their clothing, they wash it, they dry it, they fold it, they wear it, they wash it, they dry it, they fold it, and that is it. This tip is all about maintaining the lifespan of your clothing. Washers and dryers out there have a ton of settings. Make sure you're utilizing them. So I actually wash all of my clothing on a gentle cycle on the washing machine, and I run it through 2 cycles on low heat in the dryer. I also have a couple of products that I personally recommend and that I use on my clothing. This is the Woolite Delicates. I ordered this stuff on bulk. It is so good, you guys. I use this on all of my delicate fabrics and anything that I just want to make sure I take care of and lasts a really long time. So if I have more luxury throw blankets or things like that, this is what I use. Another favorite of mine are these wool ball dryer balls. I love these. This really helps the fabric get all fluffy and soft, and it's really gentle on your clothing. So I definitely recommend these 2 products for taking care of your clothing and making it last longer. This is definitely one of those tips that you have to put a little bit more TLC into your wardrobe. Maybe you don't put everything in the dryer. Maybe you lay it flat. Make sure you have yourself a drying rack. I also have one of those, and a lot of my pieces I put on my drying rack. So I do my jeans, my leggings, obviously my bras. A drying rack really is a must. I'll make sure to link my favorite down below for you guys as well. When you take care of your clothing doing, not only does each individual item last longer, but it also means that you don't have to replace them as often, which means you spend less money. So that is it, you guys. 7 real life practical tips to save money on your wardrobe right now. As always, everything will be linked down below in the info box right below this video, so make sure to check out the link as well as the coupon code for ThredUp. Thanks again to ThredUp for partnering with me on this video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. It is so nice to meet you. I do fashion and luxury and lifestyle videos here, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, that notification button. Before you head out, make sure to check out one of these videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Baby, good at thinking out loud.